Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got in another Sofie and Toffee box. So let's find out what we got. It's supposed to be the Pixie box, so this is supposed to be the Home Sweet Home subscription box for Sofie and Toffee. See what we got. It seems like it's actually full. Listen to music, Home Sweet Home. Oh, that's cute. Okay, the first thing we see is a jar silicone mold with 2 pieces of cork. Those are plastic cork. 2 different glitters, pink and green. Oh, neat! A small container. I definitely need this. Black alcohol ink. And some pink ribbon. Shaker mold, TV. That's actually kind of cute. I think I'll actually keep that too. Mini kitchen cookware silicone mold. There you go, that's much better. It's got coffee pots, cake tray, serving tray. Oh my god, knife, fork, and spoon, some food, clippers. Now this is what I was actually waiting on, this. You can make guitar picks and guitar molds. This is one of the ones I've been waiting for. Mini jars. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with those, but they're cute. Eye hooks. 5 screws. Hail stickers. Those are actually cute. Oh, they got quite a bit in here. What's this? I don't actually see this in here, but I guess the butterfly, transparent butterflies? This is new. Colorful butterflies. Musical note charms. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 of them. What are these? Fastener buttons. I guess we'll figure that one out later, huh? Gold round keychains. These are pretty sturdy. I like this. Oh my gosh. And transparent tape. Film. This is actually small. Usually get them bigger. And you get 2 pieces. Okay. This turned out to be a pretty decent haul. I don't think I'm gonna trade any of these. By the way, I have a new website out. It's a catch-all site, so I don't clutter up my YouTube description box. The link will be down below. And if you donate, you'll get your name up on the donation board. So, like, subscribe, share, hit that bell. And I don't mind some coffee once in a while. yeah, once again, it's a really decent haul. Don't mind the noise in the background. That's just my ex talking to one of his friends. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Have a good day. Namaste.